Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel Collegedunia.com, and today we'll be seeing how you can check your college according to your MHT-CET percentile. So first you have to go to the Collegedunia website, which is collegedunia.com, and once you reach the website you have to scroll down and you'll see an option of College Predictor. Please select that. And once you reach the page, you have to select the course that you're in and the exam. For example, I have to select for the MHT-CET, and the course I want to pursue is Computer Science and Information Technology. So I'll select the option Find Colleges, and it will show me all the options that are available under my category. Enter your percentile. For example, my percentile is 95. This is my reservation category, and you have to select the course and then you can just check your results. So these are all the colleges that can come under my category according to my percentile and my reservation category. And if you want to know more, you can just select the here, and you can also filter by and see the colleges according to your city, substream, degree type or category. You can download the brochure for each of the course that you want to pursue, and you can see all the details regarding your admission process, that is your tuition fee, exam fee or other fees. So if you want to know more or you have any other query, you can just comment down below or you can check out the website, that is collegedunia.com.